2003 Acura TL. As you guys can see, really nice car. Classic, but nice car. Factory converter there. Then we did a resonator delete that goes right there, usually. Then two rear muffler deletes there and there. He was watching our channel and he said, I'm gonna get it done by you guys. I said, come on down. And we put him some blue flame tips right there and right there. There's the factory resonator and the factory mufflers there and there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Not bad. 3.2 liter, babe. That sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels on it, guys. Wow, 113, bro. That's not bad at all. Go ahead and back it up. It's so deep. That's crazy for straight pipes. It's deep. I'll let you guys hear on things. Give this gentleman your keys. Okay. Acura TL 3.2 liter. We did a resonator and muffler delete. Uh-oh. Enjoy, guys. Not bad. Still sounds good.